This is a custom-built UE481 CNC machine with working size 1200 by 1200 millimeters, which the customer will use to make guitars. UE's robust bed and drive system allow it to complete cuts quickly. A 6 kilowatt spindle and servo motors make solid wood machining effortless. Circular rapid cutting tests are a good way to check cutting accuracy. A custom-built vertical clamping table allows for side machining, expanding the machine's functionality. Quick CNC is renowned for its custom machines. If you are also looking for a machine that suits your needs, feel free to contact them.